Hi, today in this small video I will explain you what is a function chain or a chain of functions inside the data mapper. So my name is Sandro Pereira, and in this video we will see how we can apply indeed a function chain in order to do a more advanced transformation rule inside the data mapper. Okay, so a function chain is when we use kind of a multi-step function, two or more functions to apply a transformation, a data manipulation. Okay, so for example, we can use a substring before, a substring after to return a portion of a description, or we can use a concat and an uppercase, as you see in the picture, to kind of do a concatenation of multiple strings and then put everything in uppercase letters. Okay, so let's see how we can do that and what is a chain inside the data mapper. So I already add and create a map, and I define the inbound schema, what are the fields that I'm going to use for this transformation rule, and the outbound schema. I already added the two functions, but kind of let's delete these functions and add it again. So we are going to use the concat and the uppercase. So the concat will kind of do the first name. I'm going to have add a field to separate the first name and the last name with a space, and then this is the last name. And if I go to the uppercase, we can do the concat here and then return and set the outbound on the destination schema. So if you save it and test it, I think I have an error here. No, I do not have. That error was something to fail, but kind of is not saving, but we are testing with success nevertheless. So Sandro Pereira, first name, last name, and the output kind of the concatenation with uppercase, and that's a chain of functions. We can actually do the same a rule transformation with more functions, but kind of is going to be more difficult to read. So it's not going to be the best solution, this one, because instead of using two, I'm going to use three actions to do the same. So I'm going to do the uppercase of the first name, the uppercase of the last name, and then on the concat I'm going to be the uppercase of the first name. I'm going to add kind of a space here and the uppercase of the last name, and then I'm going to return that here, save it, and then I'm going to test it, and it's going to be the same result, Sandro Pereira. Okay, just be sure, let me put here Pedro, test it, Pedro Pereira. Okay, so it's working, and that's a chain of functions. Thank you, and see you in the next upcoming video about the data mapper. Bye.